Number 4. IATF 16949. Automotive Quality Perfection. Imagine buying a car and brakes fail within a month. Is it scary? Right. IATF 16949 ensures precision, durability, and traceability for automotive components. Requires strict defect prevention, continuous improvement, and waste reduction. Ensures that forged auto parts meet international safety regulations. Impact on forging quality: it reduces failure rates and improves safety critical components like crankshafts and axles. Would you buy a car from a brand with no safety standards?